see students working on their competition, you know, like building the concrete canoe or one of the race cars or something like that. And I see makerspace where students are actively engaged in like that hands-on learning. It's just, I'm excited.
Yeah,
I'm excited about it. Merryfield Hall is over a century old. Think about the legacy of this place, the tens of thousands of Oregon State engineers who have honed their skills here, who helped create the solutions to the toughest problems and open the doors to the new technologies that powered the 20th century. But the engineering challenges of 1909 are not the challenges of 2020. To meet them, we need a space built for the modern engineer, the problem solver, the creator, the innovator. Imagine a place where students can get the hands-on, real-world experiences needed to design and build the solutions that will take us into the next century. Our vision for our redesigned Merryfield Hall is one where students have access to the equipment, the tools, and the technology to support their creativity in an open, versatile workplace built for collaboration. Be part of that vision. Empower students to put theory into practice. Together, we can continue Oregon State's legacy of innovation and lead society into the next century. I think having that first year experience and get them hooked on engineering that first year is really what's gonna, I think, make a big difference.